The word keep, to retain or hold on to something. Keep something, keep it, keep for. And she decided to keep the book as a souvenir. Keep it safe until I get back. He plans to keep the gift for himself, to maintain or preserve in a certain condition. Keep clean, keep safe, keep healthy. You should keep your room clean to avoid clutter. We need to keep our valuables safe while traveling. Eating well will help you keep healthy over the years. To continue or persist in doing something, keep going, keep working, keep moving. You've made great progress, so keep going. Don't stop now. Keep working hard. The dog kept moving despite being tired, to store or save for later use. Keep money, keep a record, keep a secret. He decided to keep his money in a savings account. And you should keep a record of your expenses for tax purposes. She promised to keep the secret and not tell anyone. To retain or have ownership or control. When keep control, keep the peace, keep possession. The manager will keep control of the project. They worked hard to keep the peace during the negotiations. She tried to keep possession of her belongings during the move. To care for or attend to something. Keep a pet, keep in touch, keep an eye on. They decided to keep a pet and adopt a dog. It's important to keep in touch with family and friends. And can you keep an eye on my bag while I'm gone?